To empty a dustbin on Shark PowerDetect AV robot cleaner, first of all we'll need to grab our device. Then on the back we can find our dustbin. All you have to do to remove it is click on those two buttons and then pull out our dustbin. Now to properly clean it and remove any dust, first of all we'll need to open it. Grab right here and then pull it until the dustbin is opened. Next step would be to remove our HEPA filter and also unscrew this screw right here. You don't need to do it every time you're gonna remove the dust, but I'm just gonna show you how to completely clean it properly. So we're gonna remove this screw and then the entire cover. So the cover is removed, which means right now you should be able to wash it under the water. So you can just pour water on it until every bit of dust is removed. When it comes to the HEPA filter, you shouldn't clean it with water. Instead, what you can do is grab right here above the trash and just hit it until all of the dust is removed. When it comes to this part right here, you can just swipe it with paper gently, not to damage it, and then all of the dust will be also cleaned. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.